referring to your members as introducing their co-wives, affiliates. What do you make of such pronouns?
Madam Speaker, members of the Senate, the word cartel is not a very nice cartel in a situation where you are referred to as greed. You are only interested with your stomach. So what Madam Governor was saying or implying is that us, we are not interested with anything else other than our greed. So we felt insulted and humiliated and demeaned in front of the president and the rest of our community in Meru.
Any meaning of the word affiliate referred to you by the governor? Affiliate.
Affiliate?
Yes.
Affiliate in the biblical terms, I think she says she is a bishop. So I'm sure when she takes the phone, she would be able to explain what affiliate means, but that is not a present term to refer.
Are these outbursts by the governor been informed by any provocation on your part or on the part of your members?
Madam Speaker, members of the Senate, there are so many circumstances and venues where the governor has continued to verify the members of parliament. I remember there are issues in South Imenti, there are issues in Central Imenti, and the other areas. Madam Speaker, I am privy to this information because as their chairman, we share quite a lot.
Out of all the elected members in Meru, is there any of the member that the governor is in good terms with?
As far as I'm concerned, I lead a team of 12 members of parliament, including our deputy speaker, Honorable Kathuri. None of them is in the friendship with the governor, not because of our cause, but I think because of our attitude.
And Honorable Lintiri, what effect has this demeaning and vilifying vilification of the governor caused yourself and as well as your leaders, your members, sorry?
We are members of dignity. We are elected by people of Meru. The MCs were also elected by people of Meru. We were all elected, the governor was elected. So our concern is the deteriorating, which is almost nearing zero, of the relationship between our executive and the other leaders in the county.
Does that mean that the vilification has caused you ridicule and embarrassment within your constituency? Or
certainly, it has even gone beyond our county.
Have you attempted to seek any resolution or alternative dispute resolution between yourself, or to seek any, peacemaking forum with the governor?
Madam Speaker, members of the Senate, yes, it is true. Our mission to the Nakuru State Lodge, that's what one of the dates of reconciliation. Madam Speaker, members of the Senate, we also had the opportunity of sitting in the boardroom of essentially the Deputy President. He gave us his boardroom to deliberate, to bring the MCS together, members of Parliament, and others, so that we can have an amicable solution to the deteriorating political situation in our county.
Yes, and very finally, because I'm mindful of time, some of the people, some of the persons you've approached for purposes of reconciliation, are they still pursuing this one, such as you've made reference to the Deputy President? Is he still pursuing the reconciliation or has given up?
The last communication I had, they have given up.
For the interest of time, I subject now the witness to cross-examination, Honourable Speaker, and thank you.
Thank you, Counsel. Cross-examination. The cross-examination should take a maximum of 7 minutes. So, Counsel, you may proceed.
Thank you so much, Madam Speaker. My name is Lisha Ongoya. I will take this witness in cross-examination. Very briefly, Honorable Mugambi Rindikiri, did I hear you in your evidence in chief to say that the governor referred to you as Wafilisti or something to that effect?
I did make that.
Okay.
Because that's something that she
I'm
has
happy with that answer. Where is that grievance in your affidavit at pages 66 to page 68 of the record?
I said, Madam Speaker, That is our statement, not my statement.
I'm asking where that grievance is in your affidavit, because your affidavit now brings those grievances to this Senate. Where is it in your affidavit?
Madam Speaker, I repeat again, I did not make that allegation. What I said, she is the one who said, it's not in my affidavit. Thank you.
Madam Speaker, I don't know whether we are communicating with the witness.
The question is answered. He said it's not in.
Thank you so much. Allow me to move to something else about Makatel Kumi. I understood you to say that Makatel Kumi meant 10 members of parliament from Meru County. Did I get you right?
Yes, we are 12 members
let's go. I only have 7 minutes. Did I get you right that Makatel Kumi meant 10 members of parliament from Meru County?
The implication, yes, because we are 10.
I have limited time. I'm asking a very straightforward question. I just want to confirm whether I'm right or wrong in that understanding.
Just allow the witness to answer. Just answer that question. Honorable Mugambi.
Madam Speaker, members of the Senate, like I said, and allow me to have an explanation because I don't think this is a question of yes or no, is that the members of the National Assembly who are in attendance, who are 10. That's what I meant. And when we said 10 cartels earning 1,500,000 and above, surely members of the Senate, Madam Speaker, I don't think there was anybody in that congregation who fit into that description.
In that clip, did the Honorable Governor say 10 cartels in this meeting?
Madam Speaker.
In that clip, did the Honorable Governor say 10 cartels in this meeting?
Madam Speaker, as I said, she said we cannot allow 10 cartels members take hostage or for that matter come and determine the future of the Meru politics. That's my implication.
Back to my question, did the governor in that speech say 10 cartels in this meeting?
I gathered it from there because I don't think Madam Governor would come out of her mind and start describing something that is not as some attachment with the presence.
Honorable Mugambi, that question is direct. Just answer it. Answer.
I took it to mean she was referring to the members of parliament.
Did she in fact say 10 cartels in this meeting?
It was not a meeting, it was a church service.
Did she say 10 cartels in this event?
Madam Speaker, yes.
The record will bear us out. Fortunately for us, the Senate has watched that clip. Allow me to request that they play the video in the flash disk marked B from the governor's video supplied to the Senate. It's a very short clip.
Technical team, please play the video.
May I request that the video marked B, the second video, the second flash disk by the governor be played?
Video, second video marked B.
Sorry, the second flash disk marked B has only one video. Has only one video.
It's in the flash disk marked B.
Correct,
flash disk marked B. Can you play that?
You're right, Don.
The flash disk marked B. Council, if you have any other questions, you can continue with the rest as they get the video.
In your grievances at paragraph 3, page 67 of the Assembly's volume 1, you give various descriptions that the governor makes against various leaders in your view. Have you particularized any allegation, any claim, any insult, demeaning, vilification that the governor makes against Mugambi, Mwiridania, Rindikiri, that is yourself?
Madam Speaker, I'm here as the chair of the Mero Parliamentary Caucus. I'm not standing as Mugambi per se. So in this affidavit, I believe in totality, it includes myself.
I've said in paragraph 3, is there any claim at A, B, C, you have numbered them, that you claim the governor makes against Mugambi, Mwiridania, Rindikiri, that is yourself?
Madam Speaker, as I said, the implication of governor's statement defiling us, and I seek your indulgence, Madam Speaker, members of the Senate, is that this is in reference to the discussion the governor presented. Therefore, I cannot isolate myself per se from this. So I'm part and parcel of it, even if my name is not appearing there as Mugambi Rindikiri. So I'm dealing with the matter in totality, the 10 cartels.
Council, can you confirm whether the flash disk has 1 B or 1 D? There's only one flash disk and it has 1 D. It's marked as 1 D.
The flash disk with the flash disk itself marks as 1D. Yes. Mr. Speaker, Madam Chair, did I get that right?
Yes.
No, our flash disk is, there are 2 flash disks. To distinguish them, only one is marked B, just to distinguish from the earlier one. There's no 2 flash, so we just marked 1B to distinguish it. It has only one video clip of less than 2 minutes.
Check again, Secretariat. 1B.
No, just B.
It's marked just B.
B for boy.
Secretariat confirm.
Just for the record, Mr. Mugambi, your constituency is Buri constituency.
You are quite right.
At paragraph 3C, you complain about an allegation made against the member for Central Imenti constituency.
Correct.
At paragraph 3D, you complain about an allegation made against the member for South Imenti constituency.
Correct.
Is there any allegation made against the member for Buri constituency in a similar fashion?
No.
Thank you so much. Have you seen any clip of being played or in your record of documents or material where the governor allegedly promises to get the member for Central Imenti constituency Amwiru?
As I said, I share a lot of information as a caucus with the other members of parliament, and I believe